I got you. Hold up. Okay. This is up. YouTube, there's like practically like no rules. You can say whatever the fuck you want, you'll be good. But on TikTok, just you want to be careful. Just anything that like literally any cuss words you can say, just like I don't know. There's like it's like weird rules, boy. You just got I just like rules that I figured out as I'm like getting banned. Sometimes I'm like, oh, I can't say that. But for the most part, I think you're fine. Just don't say any outrageous stuff, and you'll be good. But yeah, with the Top Step email, apparently they sent another someone hacked into the Top Step like platform, and they got access to sending emails from Top Step's email, direct email, and they sent emails for you to reset your password. And when you were apparently if you go to try to reset your password, it would eventually like they'd get your data and they'd use your email and password to go log into other accounts that or other websites potentially that you have the same email and password on and like do whatever bullshit with your information. So yeah, hopefully you didn't press any of that like forgot password stuff, right? Yeah. Okay, you're okay. That's good. Yeah, just to be safe. Yeah, just to be safe. Yeah, I don't know. You put the right email though, right? Yeah, maybe could be. Blake's like it's probably because you opened the account prior to them launching the new dashboard. Wait, like open like had his funded accounts or did you have you had your funded accounts before they launched the new dashboard or after the new dashboard? Or did they mean like you having an account like entire a full Top Step account, not just your like account that you trade? Hmm. Okay, I don't know either. Okay, it says only new accounts can be in the new dashboard. Maj, what's good? What's up, Liwak? Yeah, it's Monday. Probably gonna get a little more chop, but what BMW is this? Dog, what is this like? Who is deciding? Who let this guy own a BMW, bro? Who let this guy own a BMW? Bro got the M3 from Halo, from Tron. Maj, did you just say that's clean? Look, it's not bad, but it just looks goofy. It looks so weird. Yeah, it is M3 with the kit. Or have you ever had problems with payouts? Yeah, back around a year and like a little over a year, I had problems with Apex, but not ever since then, not really. But the kit, it doesn't look nice. What's the name of the kit? Are all three charts 30 second? No, okay, well, this one right here is a 30 second. Top left is 1 minute, bottom left is 5 minute. I mainly look at the top left 1 minute and bottom left 5 minute for kind of more context on like what the bigger picture looks like. And then my main confluences are on the 30 second time frame. What color is this? Yeah, it's not the Adro kit. I don't think it's the Vorsteiner kit. The car's a Downy. Ah, Man of Green, the best color for an empty. That's a beautiful color. But come on, satin black is like the best way, bro. We all know satin black is the best. Nothing beats satin black. Satin black with PPF, so hard. I'll have that M3 now. Actually, full ported Marab Saturday. Now you should have, bro. I mean, the odds were a thing. The odds, he was favored, but apparently he, like, since he won by submission, you would get paid out more. And AM card was satin black, 100%. Let me see. I don't know. I don't know what kit that is. Gold's Pay been moving so much better than NQ recently. Really? If I trade gold, I'd be trading it on the 1 minute time frame with the strap because of like how low volatility it is compared to the what's it called? NQ. And also, I don't know why times are messed up on this. But now we flip to the upside on NQ. I want to see us kind of go above this high we have right here, break these highs we have, and then we'll look for a bullish play, even if we're above the 200 EMA as well. There we go. 3.0 CSL bumper. Oh. It's just too much going on. Bro, it makes the car look like a mouth breather, bro. LA on fire again? There was a fire near my area. What's it called? Yesterday. But where is there a fire, Blake? It's on fire too, but there's fires everywhere. That's because of riots and stuff. Nah, I don't know about because of the riots. Getting close to tapping it again here for a bullish trade. To ride fire, no natural. Yeah. I don't know. I haven't heard of any riot fires. Hey, what's been going on though? I hear there's like riots. Like, what's this about? All right, we got to tap in. If we get a bullish candle here, if this closes bullish, that'll be an entry, a valid entry. All right. Damn. And I'm in on that. 1-to-1, baby. First trade, let's see what we get. Oh, you're on mute the whole time. 829.50. Damn, we were falling. That was insane. Just make sure you got your stop set, guys. Really close to stop loss. Yep, we're out on that one. First loss of the day. Okay. Also going to take this really small one right here. Really small trade. Because it is a valid trade. We did get a rejection off this. And it is quite valid if we do get a small trade. Even if it's small, we got an entry after we got stopped out. So 1-to-1 off this might be pretty nice. Got real close though. See if this one hit TP. Oh, you guys are still in? Nah, I got out. I got stopped out. This one I got out for a W. Bang. Banger. We got 2 1-to-1 so far. Someone said, Hunter, how do you mark them zones?
That's just based off like an accumulation of a few candles followed by like a strong push of buyers or sellers. It could go either way.
You got another tap again. Here's the thing with this strategy, guys. Like, you got to be quick with it. Like, sometimes you get stopped out. Next candle, you get an entry because it didn't touch the red SMA yet. Means it's still valid. So if I get a green candle here, I'm still open to going long again. No, but see, we tapped the red SMA. Now I'm done. Hunter sounds sexy. He doesn't just sound sexy. He looks sexy. Type shit. All right, let's keep this trading friendly, please. Come on. Let's lock in, boys. Yeah, if you guys were still in that first... What was that? Oh, yeah? Let me see where you have that shit marked out. Okay, bet. I'm going to mark it on my chart just so like other people can see it as well. I have like a roughly the same zone marked out. It did looks like it touched it a little bit, but maybe I don't have it drawn exactly the way you do. Move it down here. Do you base your drawings off of like specific candles, or is it just like a rough drawing? Because I see sometimes like it doesn't really align with any like specific candle.
Yeah,
Hmm.
I pretty well just get the like overall body of the
Yeah.
candles. Not I don't really mark the wick
Yeah, I've noticed that too when we're marking it. Like normally you
because
make sure to.
if you mark the wicks, the zones get pretty big.
Yeah, I've noticed that.
And usually I like to see it fill the zones at least to like the 50% mark of the zone.
Bang, 50% mark tapped right now. Getting a strong reaction off the zone. We're getting like weird volatility today. Are we getting like any sort of crazy news? Is Trump tweeting again? 10 a.m. Oh yeah, it is 10 a.m. You're right. Hunter, do you ever skip trades that have like a bad RR or like let's say your target
Yeah,
you that yeah, I was thinking that.
like this one. This
Like
one
for
I skipped.
example, if you enter here, your TP would be like really far past the swing high.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's how I do it too.
I mean it reacted, really well, but it's just too much of a reaction, really.
Yeah.
Because on the 1 minute, like you click the 1 minute real quick.
Yeah, it's over here on my top left.
Like you see how like bearish it entered the zone and then finished like that. So I have to see a really big momentum candle to clear
Hmm.
that previous bearish candle.
Yeah, we did clear it though, but it's just because it's really strong.
Yeah, it kind of just screws the RR of the trade.
Yeah.
But sometimes when it's like this, it's almost like it'll come back down into the zone and then
Mm.
you'll get a better entry. Like that's happened to me a few times.
Yeah, that could be helpful waiting because we got that validation here. You can come inside when you get another confirmation. You can get a second entry.
Right. Blake's about to go short. Look at this guy.
Nah, Blake's about to be exit liquidity. Exit liquidity, Blake. Rita, you're trading 8 minis? Oh, I went micros. Yeah, MNQ is micro. Think about micro, like the really, really small ones, like micro. Just like Hunter. Like, Hunter got that micro down there. Mini is like Blake. It's like a little bigger than micro, but still mini.
Still out though. You can still get payouts.
You still get payouts.
8 minis. That's how I run my eval.
Or remind me of Okay, bro. Or with the alligator strat, does the 200 estimate have to slope up or slope down for a valid setup? There, so far, yeah, we want to see it slope in the direction for the 30-second time frame. On the other time frames, I don't really care. Honestly, from what I've seen, the other time frames don't really have an effect on whether or not um if the 200 estimate is sloping up or if it's above it or below it. Maybe the 1 minute, but most of the time the 1 minute aligns with the 30-second anyways. So for the 30-second, we want to see price above or below and the direction of the estimate sloping in the direction of the bias. And on the 1 minute, we just want to see price also above it if the 30-second is above it or below it if the 30-second is below it as well. Pick a 30-second open of the day. Alligator play was so sexy. Open of the day. Wait, off of what? Off of this candle or this candle? This tiny one right here? Open of the whole market? You mean this? Wait, which candle? Wait, which? Tell me the time. Tell me the time, like in EST. Right now, I want to see this high to get pushed out, and then we get a pullback. Because right now we got this dub and this loss over here, and we broke back below the red SMA. I want to see it break past this high, and then look for some continuation. 9:30. Thing is, it's like crossing over right at that time. Oh, there. Where is that? Oh, far back in the day. Oh, it's probably this. Right here. Yeah, after market opened. What time did market open? Yeah, 20 minutes into like, it's like 6:20 a.m. At 6:20 a.m. when the futures market opened, the futures market specifically, there was a valid setup. You're right. Off this. You could target the swing low. Swing low worked and 1-to-1 worked as well. Beautiful. All right, Jacob. Jacob can feel the move coming.
Oh, IQ, no, I don't actually do 8 minis. I'm on a 50K account, so I only do 5 anyway. But I do risk 50% of drawdown on eval first trade.
Holy chop, bro. Just back and forth. It's that trader intuition. Trader insertion. Freaking Monday, bro. I literally can feel it. Wait, I'm about to be stopped. 200 SMA on the 5 minute dead flat. It is pretty much, it's not dead flat. It's still going up. It's been slowly sloping up the entire time. Damn, longs just blasted through the roof. Yeah. I think it might be close to TP right now, if not hit it already. Yeah, it's pretty close. Wait. Oh yeah. Would you have like went back in after it dipped into here right here? Off this black candle? Off that. Wait, what? How come mine doesn't have a candle like that? Oh wait. Oh yeah, no, it's the same candle. Never mind. Yeah, I see it. I see it right here. Off this the black candle that had like a huge wick on the bottom. Tapping in. I'm printing on Hunter's Zone W.
It's 65%.
Yeah, we got a new swing high now. We broke past the previous swing high. So at any point in time before you dump in between the green and red estimate, that'll be another valid trade for me.
Average RR, it's 1.5.
I saw your average RR is probably higher because you catch like a lot more, like a lot bigger RR trades, like in the at least recently.
Yeah, I mean, whenever in my back testing sessions, like the overall average was, I don't know, there was some sessions where it was like 1.7,
Hmm.
but overall they all kind of averaged to 1.5. Like
I
my
see.
RR on some trades was like 1 to like 7, I think.
Damn. Yeah, and it all like averages out to like around one to probably a little more than like 1 to 1.5 ish. Yeah, we're getting some crazy rally right now. Papa Trump probably yapping. I'm sure. I'm sure he's yapping. If I'm on evals, how many columns should I be entering with minis? I mean, IQ depends on your stop loss. Depends on how big it is. You want to kind of get an estimation of how many minis, like, how much money you're going to risk for, like, one mini, two minis, based on your stop loss sizing. Like, kind of, like, get that intuition built up. I have a set stop loss. Two minis is 500. On eval, then I'd say go heavier, just to get past the stage fast. At least that's how I would say to approach it. The best way to approach it. Hunter be looking like Gordon Ramsay on his profile picture. Hey yo, low key, bro's cooking the markets. Depends how big it depends on how big it is has two meanings. All right, but bro's brain is not in the right place.
Like Gordon Ramsay? What does that even mean, bro?
You know who Gordon Ramsay is?
Yeah, I know who Gordon Ramsay is, but why do I?
Okay, now that you show that picture, never mind. Did you see Gordon after his accident? He had an accident. Oh, if he fell off his bike, his body turned black from the bruising and stuff. Doug, how, bro? What was he doing, bro? Was he sending it down a fucking cliff?
Black now.
Someone hit him. It was Simon that hit him. Okay, bro. Dog, what? There's no way his bruise is that big. That's crazy. Why is this fly? Of course, that's where you're looking at. Never on a bicycle again. We also gotta get that special sauce. Nah, it's fast facts. Secret ingredient. All right, let's see if we can tap into this green SMA here. Getting kind of close. Hunter, would you say this is a zone 2 over here? Off before this move, prior? Like this area? Oh, yeah? Yeah, it's pretty nice. We got a nice, strong move out from there. Can I ask why that's a zone? I'm thinking it's a zone because it's a little bit of consolidation and then a strong move out. But I'll let Hunter do the honors.
Yeah, I mean, I like it even more as a zone because the push that we made cleared the previous high. It just kind of shows continuation.
Oh, yeah, you're right. We also have that too. Decent move, decent momentum setup. On my chart, doesn't look like a good momentum setup off the same candle you entered on. I don't know. Maybe you're looking at micros. That's why it's different. Let me pop up the micros real quick. All right. Yeah, on the micros it looks better. Yeah, CR7 on the micros it looks like a clean momentum setup right there. But on NQ, like just because like there's slight discrepancy in the price between micros and minis, so it doesn't look that good on the minis on the NQ. But yeah, 2 candle pullback didn't kind of break below the slow. We wicked below, kind of protected it a little bit. and they got a momentum candle on the micros. Yeah, that's valid. Getting close to the SMAs right now.
Damn, Rita printed.
I'm at 3 right now, trailing W. Price comes back.
What'd you enter off of?
I think it's his like on your zone. Really, is it your? Are you trading like your strategy or is it Hunter's strategy or is it like a combination? I use demand and zone, but I tried it on the one he said. So you use your kind of strategy's rules on his zone, basically. Usually I use a swing zone. What's the swing zone? What's going on, Saf? Matt, yeah, it's because we had like a little bit of indecisiveness, a little bit of chop, and then a strong move out, also breaking past the previous swing high. So it's a pretty good area for a zone. Yeah, I see. Still trying to figure out these rules for Hunter so he can share his screen. I don't know why this shit's so complicated.
That would be so much easier.
Yeah.
Are you talking about the picture I sent? The target previous swing high? I don't know what you mean. Oh yeah, yeah. If we retrace back into that, we're pretty far from it now. But if we did, I'd have to see a bullish momentum candle, and then I would target the swing high wherever that will be.
Yeah, it should work. I don't know why it doesn't work. I don't know. We'll do some troubleshooting afterwards.
Rita, that zone you sent, the one that you said you had marked out, I also had it marked out, but the moment the candle closed below it, I just deleted the zone. Because if I have a candle that closes outside of the zone, I just invalidate it. If it wicks through it and then holds it, then I'll keep it. But since it closed, I
All
deleted
right,
it.
we tapped in there for me. I'm potentially a playoff here. If this gives me a bullish candle closeout, that'll be valid for a juicy 1-to-1 off this. Nope, nothing. Also, I was looking into it, Hunter. Yeah, we can only have. Someone also mentioned it. We can only have one stream at a time. But
Like one screen, you mean?
yeah, one screen share. But I can help you maybe set up your. We can help. I can help you set up like OBS or something later, so you can basically do it. So like you know how I do this sometimes. Like if you look at my camera, I make it so I can do this. Like it's my camera on the top left and my whole screen. But so it lags out for me and I need to use my like full camera for TikTok, so I can't like do it like that. But yeah, we can. I'll help you set that up so you can use that. You can share your screen that way too. And you can do just your screen like that as well if you want. We can like configure everything.
Yeah,
All
we
right.
can get it set up, whatever.
Yeah. Okay. If we get this close out, that'll be valid. All right. We got a juicy close out of that bad boy. 1-to-1 off this. See what happens. Some crazy volatility after we entered. TP's at 21,868. Give us a rally, baby. Are you picturing? Did you jump into that? Are you talking about my trade? If you're talking about my trade, then yeah, I got in that. Dow has been weaker. Hey, yo, we just jumped up. Dog, what is this volatility? Every time I get in, it's just crazy volatility. Come on, baby. Send that shit to TP, baby. Aro versus Blake. Oh, he's in Dow. Back to kind of break even here. Getting close to stop loss here. Not out yet. Really close. Okay, we're out there. Guess can be a loss for this one here. 8 points. He has share screen because he joined in his audience, then moved into speakers, and reading all has to be speakers. I think it doesn't allow him to join because it says only one stream at a time. We get 2 streams at a time if Discord is higher level. Really? Yeah, level 3 you get some stage stuff. I think we're at level 2 right now. Let me see. Yeah, I see it says and more, but I don't know exactly what it is. Video stage seats means the amount of people in the audience. So 300. Jesus Christ, bro. Dog, what is this reaction? But not Everest. I thought I thought that was the issue, but I don't know. Maybe we'll try that next time. I'm gonna boost this after pay W, Amir. Let's get it. If we can get it to level 3, that'll be fire. Then we can have thing. What's it called? Multiple streams. When do people even change from TeamSpeak? I've never heard of raid called TeamSpeak. It went from Skype to Discord. I've never used TeamSpeak. I've used Skype though. Hey, actually, what's going on? Why are we just like sending to the sky? We're literally just W. What is that? 1 to 4? RR? W Rita. How are you still in your position? You had an entry from so low. TP just hit W. W Kazi. That shit stopped me out so hard. No, that shit just randomly pumped. If it creates a new single, I'll move my stop loss W. First time using this strat in the live market. Oh, that's off the 1 minute. Oh, nice. 1 minute played out pretty good. Right here. As well. Nice one. Bro, Hunter not locked in, bro.
It's gonna be a while. I can't even trade.
No, you gotta email Topster, bro. Unlock my freaking accounts.
They need to speed up their payout for real.
You're milking him too much, bro.
I'm gonna let it block me. You're steady on my phone futures. That's like the top step platform, bro.
50%. The 50% discount's pretty sick, though.
Yeah, I didn't know that. That's pretty cool.
Getting close here again. Cash 250 on a W. Rita, where's like your final TP on that?
I think he has one.
Doesn't have. Oh, so you're just trailing your stop loss now with every like thing, swing low that's made. That's pretty. That's a good technique you can implement. It's pretty good.
That's what I did last Monday.
Yeah, it's pretty helpful because like if we're uptrending real nice, you can kind of and you have a high RR, you can kind of protect your position like that. All right, tapped in there for me. As soon as we get a green candle out, that'll be the entry. We might get a really small trade here, unless we just burst in volatility.
Look how fast the account is trade.
My final TP is when I pass. That's crazy. Hey, bro. Hope we keep making swing highs and swing lows. It's very far.
How much do you need to pass?
Oh, he's in drawdown, so he has to make back the drawdown and then more. All right, we closed out of that. I'm in that one. Real small trade. Real small. That bad boy gave us a nice bullish candle. I mean, we don't care about bullish, but nice candle off that closeout. We're gonna get killed on this one too. Start Monday off. Nah, we got killed. That's crazy. Monday just doesn't like me. Monday just aren't my thing. Mondays have been pretty weak with this strategy though. Or you can show your alligator specs because I think for me it's off a tiny bit. Yeah, I got you. These are my settings right here. It's not the same as the default one. We got 21, 13, 8, 8, 5, 3. Now that's crazy. Stop loss then TP is actually crazy. But yeah, 21, 13, 8, 8, 5, 3. And these are the styles. I took off the jaw and only the teeth and the lips. You can go to the pinned channel as well in the trading chat. It's also saved there. Everything's correct. W. Or what you think of break of structure FVGs? I mean, FVGs aren't bad. I mean, depends on what you mean, like break of structure FVGs. Like, what are you using that? Are you using just break of structure and FVGs? If you just make it simplified, then you're fine that way.
That's the number one TikTok strategy right there.
I just hear that a lot, like as well. I would say stay away from it because if everybody in the world is trading it, it probably doesn't work.
Yeah, I think that is TJR strategy.
I don't know. Natural Trades always cooks the break of structure FVG strat. I think that Nitro Trades guy is also Armenian as well, apparently. We got TGR here. That's what I just hit my TP off of. I don't know. I mean, you could definitely test it top K. I would say I would personally not recommend like the usual liquidity sweep, break of structure, and FVG. But if you see it's working, test it 100%. Maybe it's starting to work better now. You can 100% test it, and if it works, use it. I don't have data on it, so I don't know if it's like really accurate or not.
Oh, Blake, you joined the party finally.
Thank you, long. When we get an Amir trades to the industry, bro, Amir hit 10K payout. That's gonna be Amir trades in the industry.
Damn.
Nah, it's gotta print, bro. If I don't, it's gonna be legendary comeback. Gonna start selling course after that 5 figures in payouts. It's creating a new zone for it is creating a new zone. We just did a ginormous push out for a new zone. Are you on NQ1, not MQ5? Yeah, I don't know. It's kind of late as well in the day. But yeah, I'm on the trading view chart. I'm choosing the continuous chart, the continuous futures contract, so I don't have to keep manually switching it every time. Because on TradingView, you can just search up NQ1. It'll give you the continuous one, meaning you don't have to like roll over contracts. But if you go on the specific one, like NQM, NQU, NQZ, NQH, whatever, you're gonna have to roll it over, like manually. On other brokers like TradeOvate, maybe even not TopStepX, but TradeOvate, you're gonna have to go on the regular one. There's no continuous contract. So, yeah. I just ate some Chick-fil-A, bruh. Come on now. It's soon to.
How wide is your stop loss?
Yeah, Blake, where's your stop loss at, Blake? You're done?
Damn.
Oh, man. We'll get him next time. No, that is funny.
That was a minute ago. Did you ever get a payout on it?
Either rejects FVG or I get stopped out. I've been uptrending pretty nice though. Now we're just falling. Yeah, we were just falling. Low probability day. Yeah, Mondays just. I mean, we did get some nice trend today, but for me personally, Mondays aren't like the best. Midweek is usually when I start to see some like consistency in. I think that's kind of usual how it is with like trend following systems. Mondays and Fridays, it's not the greatest. Then like Tuesday to Thursday, it's like pretty good. We did get a dub. There was a dub with the Mr. Hunter strategy, the Huntos S&D. Even if you entered off this what's it called, fat green candle with a bad risk toward it, got a pretty good. It also smacked TP as well, which is good to see.
Bro, I think we're gonna go see my second zone.
Yeah, we're probably coming down there. Even though we made a long way up, but these zones have been like magnets, bro. Probably gonna be on for a little bit longer, and then we're gonna wrap things up too. Or your second zone. Second zone is like that accumulation right before the first strong move.
It's like around 8:13.
Yeah, around around like 10 a.m. We're a little past 10 a.m. 10 a.m. Yeah, that little accumulation area on the 1 minute. Take any trades, Aro? Yeah, we got like, I think I got 4 trades. I got one dub, 3 losses today. Slow start to the Mondays. Market cooked me today. Is Hunter speaking going to be an everyday thing? I mean, probably. If he's down for it. If he's up for it, I'm up for it. I think it'll help you guys out a lot too. I know it'll be a fun thing. I'm on here every morning just talking to myself. I mean, I'm talking to y'all, but like, it's the chat. Nah, Kazi want beef. Kazi want the smoke, bro. What is Daryl's strat? I don't know exactly what Daryl's strat is like. I don't know his like exact rules, but I know he's in and out very quick as well. He's also a scalper. Monday, the market definitely cooked me too. Yeah. Yeah, Monday it cooks us, and then Tuesday we cook it. Auntie, my dog. Auntie, the auntie. I used to change Auntie's diapers when he was all right, buddy.
This little
Good old days for Mr. Hunty Poo. Hunter, what time do you hop on the charts when you get on?
Do what?
What time do you hop on the charts when you like get on your PC? Do you hop on same time as I launched the thing or do you get on earlier?
No, it's usually like 8:28.
8:28?
It's usually like 1 or 2 minutes early.
Bro, my guy. Bro, just last second getting on the charts. What time do you wake up?
About 8:15.
Dog. Get up at like 8, bro.
Bro, it's just cleaner for me, you know. I just hop right on. Mental's still like kind of dead, so I don't
Bro,
have
just
to.
waking up from his dream, halfway asleep, sees his own prince.
Yeah, you don't want to overthink it, right?
Hey, man, if you're working like that, keep doing what you're doing, bro. I'm not trying to change shit up for
But
you.
when you wake, then like things start questioning and everything. It's like I'm halfway there. It's like, oh yeah, it's the morning.
No, it's W.
I mean, how long are you on here before you go live?
I mean, I get up at like 6, but it still feels late. I mean, for me, I get up at 6. Market opens 6:30 because I'm in Pacific time. So by the time I get up, I go to the bathroom, take my morning piss, get ready, get some fresh air, drink some electrolytes, wash up.
Holy shit, you got a whole routine, bro.
No,
I
yeah,
should catch you on TikTok.
bro, Ashton Hall type shit.
Ice water and shit.
Get out the ice water, put my face in the ice water real quick. No, that's insane, bro. I've been debating on getting up earlier, like 5:45, and just because, like, I get on the live and like, I don't know, maybe it's because I'm also talking. I don't feel like fully awake now. Like after around like 30 minutes that we've been like 30 minutes after we start streaming, I feel like fully awake. Like if my like I could tell my energy levels are like back to normal. I don't know, maybe it's that, but
Nah, me
yeah.
pretty much, bro. Like my alarm goes off, I just kind of lay there, and then
Okay, bro.
about 8:28, I just walk across the hall to my desk and sit down, and here we are.
I mean,
I don't need all that extra shit. Or I don't need tea, and I don't need electrolytes. I don't need fresh air. Like,
nah, bro just gets up, steak breath and everything. First thing on the
that's
charts.
what I do.
Turn on that PC, print some money. But I'm gonna head out. I have to start subscribing. Head out, guys. Take care, Blake. We'll see you tomorrow, bro.
Yeah, later, Blake.
Yeah, boys. I think we might slowly wrap things up here. Same hunt, yeah. I'm not gonna lie. I did the same though. When I was like first getting up, well, not first, but like the first few years, just getting up like literally like 10 minutes before market opens. By the time I'm on the computer, it's like 5 minutes left.
It's all part of the strap.
It's part of the strap, bro. That's the key.
That's how I backtested it.
Damn. Oh, I gotta change his pat. All right, buddy. All right, talking. Why are you talking by yourself, bro?
Or gotta set up his booster seat. Somebody gotta come over and lift him up.
Yeah, bro. I need some help, bro. It's just not gonna strap itself. Come on.
Hey, where's the tea at though? You don't got it today.
I know. I'm gonna get it a little later. Probably around like 30 minutes. Go outside, enjoy the fresh air. What, bro? Bro does not enjoy the beauty of life around him.
So soft.
Nah, D1 hater here, bro.
Fresh air.
Y'all just haters, bro, for real.
It's just funny the way you said it, bro. I'll hop off here, grab my tea, go outside, get some fresh
Bro,
air.
living the life, bro. Just tea, fresh air, Feel the wind, feel the breeze. Get that vitamin D.
Touch the grass.
Exactly. Touch the grass. You know we don't do that in here. Every once in a while we gotta go touch it.
I don't remember the last time I've been outside.
I know. I don't remember the last time you've been outside either. Touch the grass, kiss the trees, meditate. Say water bottle. Why?
Yeah, where's this going?
Where is this going, bro? What are you trying to get me to say? Water bottle. All right, what? About to get 27 from insurance because somebody in my car bad luck. Oh yeah, bro. That's milk that insurance, bro. Fuck that guy. Fuck that guy. Gotta say it like that one bald dude. What bald dude? Mr. Bugatti? 2 W's? W Lewak. Let's get it.
Oh, he's talking about the goat. Top G.
Top G, bro. Vodka bottle, bro. What? I heard vodka bottle. Dog, I don't know why you're so obsessed with water bottle, but
Man, we're slowly going back to my zone.
yeah, we are.
Not like it matters. Okay, y'all are looking at it.
Or is it hard to switch from Apex to Top Step? I mean, what's hard about it? Nothing really hard, I would say. Hunter, you want to send that picture in your chat real quick? Because if we end it here, they're not going to be able to see the chat. Send it also in your channel real quick. Like the zone we're looking at.
I'll just send it in trading chat.
Or you can do that, yeah. NBA Youngboy Tour? Yeah, Hunter, where's your ticket, bro? You're going to go to the NBA Youngboy Tour?
The one in St. Louis.
Wait, where is that? State Farm Arena? Oh, ATL.
I'm like an hour from St. Louis, so I'm going to that one.
You're going? Shit, I'm not trying to get shot. It's crazy.
Oh, why would I not go?
Dog, it's NBA Youngboy, bro. Come on.
Fine.
Top 5 is actually crazy. Top 3? Oh my goodness, bro.
Yeah, I had top 3 in my head, but then I was like, nah.
Gotta put y'all on, bro.
Like all time. I'm just saying in my own personal list.
No, yeah, personal list. Youngboy's bottom 3, if anything. But maybe bottom 5, if we're being honest. Who's better than Youngboy? Tell me right now. We got Lil Baby. We got Gunna.
Oh my gosh, this is such a damn high school list.
Okay, bro. Lil Baby's Heat. Gunna. Who else, bro? I don't listen to like.
We're about to say Polo G next.
Okay, don't listen to Polo G. Hold on. We got
We got G Herbo, Young Boy,
G Herbo.
Face Ray,
King Von. Lil Nas #1. Okay, bro. That new Kanye is actually crazy. Y'all see the songs he made about his cousin? That cousin shit's actually crazy. You see the one about Nas? No. Drake, no. Drake's fire. Drake's up there too. Drake's up there. Future's also kind of up there. S- Mm, Future's good. T Grizzly. You don't like T Grizzly? T Grizzly's fire. It's just hype. It's very hype. Like his beats are like fire. Because the way the beats go. First day out's always a banger, bro.
Are you still like Kenny Chesney?
Who?
Kenny Chesney.
Who the hell's that?
That's the guy.
Kenny Chesney? Dog, bro, what is this country shit, bro?
Oh, that's you.
Okay, bro. Alright, buddy. Kenny Chesney. I swear you listen to this shit while you be trading, bro.
No, I had to stop playing music when I turned.
Nah, Loki is a little distracting sometimes.
Remember that one day I don't remember what came on.
What, the day you made like crazy money?
Yeah, and I was just like full 40.
You fuck. Yeah, I remember that day. Listen to Pluto Aro. Pluto by who? Like, isn't that a song by Uzi or something? Uzi's up there too, but old Uzi. Lil Uzi. Pluto. Pluto by who? Chief Keef. Chief Keef's alright. Lil Wayne. I don't know. Drake's good. J. Cole, I don't know. Wim Whammy. What is this boss bitch music? She got the #1 song on ATL right now. Sexy Red. Bro, I'll be on my house shit recently, bro. Just house music.
I knew you were gonna say that eventually.
Bro, it's fire, bro. Come on.
Oh yeah.
That and like Spanish music as well. Like the Spanish music. Mainly like got influence from TikTok. Yeah. And we're all the way down here. We're probably gonna slowly creep to that bottom zone. Anyways, boys, we're gonna wrap this up slowly. We do have this zone down here again. If you guys want to keep in mind, Hunter did send a screenshot to the trading chat, so that zone is the current one that we're gonna be looking at and seeing if that gets smacked. But yeah, boys, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's live stream. We got sexy boy Hunter on here, so we'll wrap it up. I'll catch y'all tomorrow, 9:20 a.m. Same thing. In the morning. All right, boys. If you guys are still trading, trade with risk management. Follow your rules. Don't bullshit yourselves. All right. You know what you got to do. All right. I'll catch y'all in the AM tomorrow. Peace out, boys. Stay blessed, y'all. Let's get it. YouTube, let's wrap it up.